Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you all are fine there. We are again here with the chapter Digital Documentation Part 2 under subject code 402. So, let's see in the slides what all topics are given. So, first of all, we'll just see changing text case. Now, how to make use of the text case? Now, text case, it is possible to change the case of the text. There are 6 change case options in LibreOffice as shown: uppercase, lowercase, cycle case, sentence case, and capitalize each word, toggle case. Now, in order to operate manually, first of all, you have to open OpenOffice Writer. After opening it, you have the here option File menu. File menu में जाके either click on New. Now, we are here the new document, so I'll just directly go in Format option. Format option में I'll click on Change Case option. ठीक है, Change Case option में I'll just select the first line first of all. Change Case option. Just see here the difference. फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल में है, बाकी सारे छोटे बड़े हैं. ठीक है, इस तरह से चेंज कीज ऑप्शन में चेंज हो जाती है. देन आई सिलेक्ट द नेक्स्ट लाइन. आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग द नेक्स्ट लाइन आई गो इन केस ऑप्शन. आई सिलेक्ट लोअर. नाउ सी all the letters are turned into lower form. Again I'll select the next line. Format में जाऊंगी. I'll just select uppercase. Again the letters are in capital form. All the letters are in capital form. Similarly, I'll just press the fourth line. Fourth line में I'll just again go in case option. I'll click here capitalize every word. ठीक है, हर word अपने आप capitalize हो गया. ठीक है, the last one is a toggle case. I'll just click here. Again go in format option, change case option, toggle case. Just see first letter जो था वो छोटा हो गया and rest of all the letters are in capital. So this way you can make use of the change case option. So let's see the next one. So the next slide is the paragraph style. Now a paragraph in a document can have several sentences, a single sentence, a single word, or no words at all. Every paragraph in a LibreOffice Writer document has a paragraph style. The paragraph style settings have a pop-up down window. One can change the paragraph style by clicking on the pop-up down window and selecting the choices as shown in the figure. Now we'll just do it manually also, how to operate this. So let's see. So in order to operate manually the paragraph style, we have to go in format option. Format option we will get this paragraph option. Click on paragraph option. First of all select the paragraph. ठीक है, select this 2-3 lines जितनी भी आपने करनी है paragraph की. Let's say I have selected these lines. Go in the format option. Click on paragraph. Paragraph पे जाके just select the border over here. ठीक है, border मैंने select कर लिया. I'll select the color here. ठीक है, I'll choose the indents over here. ठीक है, just see the border of the paragraph is selected. So this way you can just make use of the paragraph style also. So the next slide is about indenting paragraphs. The entire paragraph can be indented in one step. Place the text cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Select and click on the increase indent tool. Each time when you click on the increase indent tool, the current paragraph's indent will increase. There is also a decrease indent tool that removes the indent. Now increase the indent of the third paragraph in our assignment of the report. The output will be as shown below. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पर जो ऐसे आउटपुट शो होगी ये इंडेंट के साथ वैसे आपने भी परफॉर्म करनी है. विल सी दिस मैनुअली ऑल्सो हाउ टू मेक यूज ऑफ द इंडेंटेशन. Now in order to make use of the indentation you have two indent button over here, increase indent and decrease indent. ठीक है, just select the lines over here. I have selected these two lines. First of all I'll click here on increase indent. ठीक है, इंडेंट्स आपके इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे. यहाँ से देखो आपकी कर्सर की स्पेस खाली होगी एंड द डाटा इज शिफ्टेड टू द नेक्स्ट साइड. सिमिलरली इफ आई क्लिक हियर ऑन डिक्रीज इंडेंट आई जस्ट क्लिक हियर the data is shifted to the backward side. So this way you can make use of increase indent and decrease indent. Next slide is how to make the alignment option. The paragraph can be aligned as left, right, center and justify To align the paragraph, place the text cursor in the title paragraph, select the appropriate tool, left, right, center, or justify from the format toolbar. So we'll just see manually how to make use of the alignment option. So let's see how to make use of the alignment option. To select the alignment option, first of all select the line, go in format option. Format option may just see where you have the alignment buttons. Here you have the alignment buttons. So just select it centered. ठीक है, the data is shifted to the center or side. या फिर यहाँ से आप क्लिक कर सकते हो center. ठीक है, select the next line. Either select from here, right side. ठीक है, data is shifted to the right side. And if you select from here, format से भी same ही काम होना आपका alignment पे. Let's say left side, already the data is there on the left side. So this way you can just align the data to the center, right and left side. Clear? Next slide is how to make use of bullets and numbering. Now you can assign the bullets or numbering to the list items in the document by using the options on the bullets and numbering toolbar. You can also create a nested list by using the buttons on the bullets and numbering toolbar. So to operate bullets and numbering, first of all go in format option you have here bullets and numbering. Click here on bullets and numbering. Just select any type of bullets. ठीक है, let's say you have selected this one. Click OK. See here the type of bullets you have got. अगर suppose कर लो you want the numbering, just click here on numbering option. ठीक है, so this way you can make use of bullets and numbering. So next slide is about page formatting. Now this slides includes page size, margins, header and footer, border and background, number of columns. The default style is assigned to the new document by default. It appears on the taskbar of the writer window. To change the various parameters of the page, just click on the default style on the taskbar or click on the format page. So let's see manually also how to make use of page formatting. Go in format option, click on page formatting option here. So when you just click here on page style, by default you're getting the setting in this form. So if you want to change your setting, let's say if you want to just print your paper on the other side, that is A3 वाले पेपर पर अगर आपने प्रिंट लेना, B6 वाले साइज पर लेना या फिर लेटर साइज का लेना, any size if you want to change, you can just click from here. And if you want to increase the width and height, you can also increase the width and height. And if you want the printing in landscape form, you can just have the landscape form. यहाँ पर देख रहे हो आप प्रीव्यू चेंज हो गया. अगर लैंडस्केप पे मैंने क्लिक किया, again I want it in portrait form, so I'll just click here on portrait. Similarly you can change the margins also. यहाँ से आप margins भी change कर सकते हो, top margin, bottom margin, left and right margin. ठीक है, so after just setting, just click here OK. Everything will be changed on the page. So this is how you can change the page formatting. So next slide is about how to insert a page break. Now in multiple page documents, the text flows from one page to the next as you add information. In certain cases, we may require to break the current page and move the next heading or next chapter to the new. In such cases, we have to break the page forcefully and take the cursor to the next page to insert the new heading. This is called a page break. To break the current page and start the new page, select Insert Page Break option from the menu bar or use keyboard command Control plus Return. So let's see how to make use of the page break option manually. You have the navigator button over here in Writer. Navigator button पे जब आप click करते you get this option continue search forward, continue search backward. ठीक है, यहाँ से आपको page break की option मिलती है. So just click here, one page या two page, जो भी आपने जहाँ पर जाना, you see your page is on the, your cursor is on the next page. If you click here on one, your cursor will be on the previous page. ठीक है, so this way you can make use of the page break option. Let's see the next slide. Next slide is about how to insert header and footer. Now header appears at the top of every page, but footer appears at the bottom of a page. To insert header in the document, select Insert Header and Footer. You can give the document name or chapter name in the header section and page number in the footer section. To enter page number in the footer section, place the cursor in the footer section and select insert page number. So let's see manually how to make use of header and footer. You have to go in insert menu. Insert menu पे you have this header and footer option. So just click here on header option. ठीक है? So when you'll click on this header option, you will get a screen over here in this form. You can insert your header. Anything जो भी आपको चाहिए वो आप insert कर लो. Similarly, you can insert footer also. Click here on footer. See here, नीचे at the bottom you have got one line. यहाँ पर आप अपना footer insert कर सकते हो. See here on the next page you're getting the same things on the next page also. So this way you can make use of header. So the next slide is how to make use of images, shapes, special characters in a document. Now how to insert the images. If you wish to include any picture or image in your document, the image file should be stored in your hard disk or external storage such as pen drive. Okay? To insert an image in your document, position the cursor where you want to insert the file, select insert image, या फिर another alternative is just click on the insert image icon located below the formatting toolbar. A file manager will appear from where you can select the image file. Select the image file and click on open button or just double click on the image file. The image will be inserted in the file. We'll just see manually also how to make use of the. So to insert any image, first of all just go in insert. इंसर्ट में जाकर व्हेन यू विल जस्ट क्लिक हियर, आइदर आपके पास इमेज वाली ऑप्शन होगी आप वहाँ से कर सकते हो, अगर नहीं है तो जस्ट क्लिक हियर ऑन पिक्चर ऑप्शन. पिक्चर ऑप्शन में इट इज़ आस्किंग यू फ्रॉम फाइल. ठीक है, अगर आप फ्रॉम फाइल करना चाहते हो जस्ट क्लिक हियर फ्रॉम फाइल, वट एवर पिक्चर्स यू आर हैविंग फ्रॉम फाइल. लेट्स से यहाँ पर मेरे पास ये पिक्चर है. ठीक है, आई विल क्लिक हियर ऑन ओपन. I have got this picture over here. So this way I can just get the picture. पहले से पिक्चर आपके हार्ड डिस्क पर स्टोर होनी चाहिए जो भी आप पिक्चर फाइल से लोकेट करना चाहते हो स्क्रीन पर. ठीक है, so this was all for today. So if any I hope कि each and every point is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning.